Build muscle at home. No equipment needed.
Want to gain muscle without the gym? You can build strength at home with zero equipment. All you need is determination and a smart plan. This guide reveals a simple 3-day-per-week routine, focusing on effective body weight exercises split into major muscle groups. Let's explore how you can make serious progress right from your living room.
Day 1. Push muscles, chest, shoulders, and triceps.
Target your pushing muscles with classic moves. Start with push-ups, including variations like incline and diamond push-ups for added challenge. Follow with dips, using a sturdy chair or low table for your triceps. Add pike push-ups to hit your shoulders. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of each exercise, performing repetitions until you're near muscle fatigue.
Day 2. Pull muscles, back and biceps.
Work your pulling muscles, no equipment required. Do inverted rows using a sturdy table or ledge, and practice door frame rows for more variety. Focus on slow, controlled movements. For biceps, try reverse grip push-ups or towel curls using a hand towel for resistance. Perform these exercises for 3 to 4 sets each, challenging your muscles on every rep.
Day 3. Legs and core strength.
Strengthen your lower body and core. Squats, lunges, and step-ups build leg muscle without weights. Add advanced moves like pistol squats or Bulgarian split squats for more intensity. For your core, include planks, leg roses, and mountain climbers. Aim for 3 to 4 challenging sets per exercise, focusing on proper form and full range of motion.
Key tips for home muscle gain success.
Consistency and progression drive results. Increase repetitions or choose harder exercise variations as you get stronger. Prioritize rest days between sessions to allow muscles to grow. Pair your workouts with balanced nutrition. Include plenty of protein and calories for muscle repair. Track your progress to stay motivated. And remember, effort matters more than fancy equipment.